You know, what's up mga Jeprox? Kumusta pa kayong lahat? Ayos ba tayo dyan? It's your boy Jepoy na naman nagbabalik.
You speak too fast. Hi!
This time, I am back for a new video na sobrang tagal na nung huling nag-upload ako. And kaya ako nagbalik. Medyo may nangungulit sa akin. This is her, my daughter. She wanted to create a new video, and she always making me kulit na gusto niya daw ulit mag-vlog. O sige, pagbigyan natin mag-vlog. But this time it's gonna be nose bleeding because she is pure English speaking, and she can actually speak Tagalog, but if she
Okay lang yan
speaks
pag
Tagalog,
pa. Okay lang yan pag Tagalog. Kaya, what's up?
what's up? Ganyan siya mag-Tagalog, guys. Para siyang foreigner.
Grabe guys, lumaki na ako.
Tingnan mo. Tingnan niya, guys. Oh, halos dalaginding na yung bunso ko. Oh, kaya yung huli nating video, sobrang chikiting niya pa. Oh, ngayon, dalaginding na siya, guys. Ang laki na ng bunso ko. Dalaga na.
Sabi ng nanay ko dalaga na.
Dalaga ka na, but you know what? You still always wanted to play, and because she's getting bored right now. She is kinukulit niya ako na maglaro. Gusto niya daw maglaro kami. Yun.
Kasi wala na yung kaibigan ko.
Kaya nga, ito kasi simula nung umalis yung apo ko dito sa tabi ng bahay namin, sa kapitbahay namin, wala na siyang naging kalaro dahil dito sa compound namin ano na siya, wala nang bata, siya na lang mag-isa, kawawa naman. Kaya ayan, pagpasensya nyo na yung kwarto namin, medyo magulo.
Anong gulo kakahiya?
Because this is your idea, baby, so wala ka dyan. But next time you should learn how to clean your room, okay? That's gonna be the content next time.
Sige.
Alright?
Sige.
And I want to teach you how to clean your house. Alright? So but this time we're going to what? Play. Alright, let's go. Start. Ano ba yan? Faster.
Dad, show that one to mommy.
What do you mean?
I mean, let her show up into the video.
You have a lot of messes na. Kalat-kalat ka na dyan. See how she played. That's nice. Look. Tingnan mo. Kalat-kalat na. Galit si mami sa'yo. Sige, go. Okay. Very nice. Wow. Okay. Another shapes.
I can make another drawings like a heart.
Go. Paano kaya ginawa tong ano na to, no? Para siyang may buhay look. Look closely, guys. Gumagalaw siya mag-isa.
Huh?
Nakakatuwa. Hindi kagaya siya ng ibang buhangin na para siyang oily. Na buhangin.
Yeah, its stick is oily.
Para siyang may buhay. Gumagalaw siya mag-isa. Yan, hindi kaya yan si Sandman. Do you know who Sandman is?
Who's that?
Sandman. Sandman in the Marvel superheroes.
Oops. I ruined the heart. What do you make it, Dad? I'll hold the camera.
Just like this. like this, that, and then no,
No.
this one.
Okay.
Okay. And then,
And then remove
separate
it.
the excess,
Oh, hold it.
the excesses. Press it harder, harder.
Okay, pressing it harder. Kaya guys, marunong rin ako mag-Tagalog. Kaya mag-worry.
There you go. Super
Ganda
ugly.
na.
Super ugly. Oh, let's make it better like this.
Okay.
Tanan! Angit din.
What about an
How about
octopus?
this one? Octopus.
Look. It's octopus. Why is it like that? You're supposed to smooth it out. I actually love my sand, guys. Okay, Dad, we better clean this up and let's change this.
Okay.
Okay,
You want
guys.
the green?
Yeah, I want it to be green because
Okay.
it reminds me of grass.
Sige. Magliligpit
nature.
daw siya muna. Liligpitin daw niya muna tapos papalitan niya ng kulay. Okay. Go ahead. Do it.
I had a fast way to clean this up. Why is the sand not coming out? Okay, you can pause the video for a moment while I'm cleaning. That one.
Yan. Kwentuhan tayo guys saglit. Sa sobrang tagal na hindi na ako nag-vlog. I think it's already 2 years ago since the last vlog na namamasada pa ako nun. Bago pa lang ako dun sa ano. Ngayon 2 years old na yung kotse ko. Mahigit. Eto ngayon, ganun pa rin, namamasada pa rin. Kahit na medyo ano, sobrang busy kasi kaya talagang parang halos hindi ko na naasikaso pa mag-vlog ng ganito. Kinukulit-kulit lang ako nitong makulit na to para makapag-vlog ulit.
Stop calling me kulit.
Stop calling. Why?
I'm so mad when you
No.
call me kulit.
You're so kulit naman kasi talaga eh. You should not be. It's fine. So yun.
You always call our dog lande.
Mm.
That's a funny word.
Because she's so lande. So the reason why I'm calling you kulit because you're so kulit. Diba?
Oh.
So ayun guys. Yun lang ang naging storya ng buhay simula nung huli kong nag-vlog. Paulit-ulit, biyahe, papasada sa umaga, uwi sa gabi. Hindi ko naman magawa yung yung mag-vlog na habang namamasada kasi ang pag-i-edit ng video ito sobrang madugo. At itong video na to siguro magiging raw vlog na to kagaya ng ginagawa ng idol natin na si Will Dasovich. Wala nang gaano edit pag sinabing raw vlog. Basta ito shoot and upload. Gagawa ng konting thumbnail siguro. Tapos ayan, i-upload mo lang. So yun, ano ba ang updates sa buhay natin? Medyo gipit sa pera. Pero okay naman sa awa tulong ng Diyos nakakaraos pa.
I have to tell you something.
Kaya lang.
I love our old channels so much.
I know that. So that's why you are so kulit. So siguro from now on we will try to make some vlogs when we have time together.
Yes.
We will do things, father and daughter things.
Yes.
Teach her to household chores, something like that. Okay, so
Now look at the sun, guys.
and I want you to vlog even when I am not here. I want you to shoot yourself. You vlog even when I am not here. Can you commit on that, baby? Even when I am not here, you will vlog.
Okay. But
Okay.
what phone am I gonna use?
Your mom's phone or even your own phone. You actually have your own phone, right?
Yes.
Just use it.
I have
And
almost done, right? I'll show it to everybody.
what is it?
Almost done. This one.
Diba?
Come closer.
Ah.
This is my almost done.
Oh, yan. Pinagmalaki niya yung phone niya. Xbox stand.
Elmo.
Ganun talaga mga bata. Okay. So yun lang ang naikwento ko sa inyo guys. Pagkaraan ng 2 taon, paulit-ulit lang ang buhay. Sobrang busy. Tayo dito, kayo doon. Kasi sino-survive yung kotse kasi hulugan. Tapos pagsabay-sabay pa yung gastos sa college na anak at senior high. College at senior high. Kaya ayun, paulit-ulit ang buhay. Pero so far, so good sa awa tulong ng Diyos. Healthy kami lahat. At itong aking bunso, parang hinipa ng hangin, biglang lumaki. Dalaginding na. But you
Why
know,
do I still sound like a kid? Why do I still sound like that?
because you're still a kid. I'm just telling you that you are already dalaginding. Which
Stop.
means it's between dalaga and bata and a kid. Okay?
Okay. Okay, that's great. Anyway, I love some games. From when...
Ayan guys, naawa ko dyan minsan kasi gustong-gusto niya maglaro, wala siyang kalaro. Kaya ayan, ako nakikipaglaro sa kanya. Minsan if I had a time, if makauwi ako ng maaga, ayan, makauwi ako ng maaga, maabutan ko siyang gising. Kanina kasi sira yung kotse ko, pinagawa ko. Actually, humingi lang ako ng tulong sa kabrad ko. Tapos siya na yung tinuruan niya na kung paano ko gagawin. Ayun, ang galing, awa ng Diyos, nagawa ko siya. Kaya lang late na ako nakabiyahe. Tapos umuwi na lang din ako ng maaga kasi wala rin naman na. Kaya bukas bawi na lang. Agahan ko na lang bukas kung loloobin pa. Ayun.
I am a great artist. A little bit. I'm an artist a little bit. Artist ako.
She is actually drawing.
I always love drawing and playing my sand like that.
Okay.
That's my favorite things to do. And those are not my favorite things to do a long time ago. Now it's my favorite. Anyway, earlier...
So, what are now the shapes that you are doing? No more? So yun guys, ano nga ba yung mga na-vlog ko nung nakaraan? Nakapag-vlog ako tungkol sa pagiging call center
Dad,
ko.
touch the sand.
And
Look.
she actually helps me a lot to be a call center because you know what? I was able to speak in English almost fluent because of her. Because she, naging parang mother tongue niya kasi ayan, siguro dahil sa sobrang busy namin ng asawa ko, naging babysitter niya is yung cellphone, kaya ayan, puro English siya talaga. Nagkaroon din ako actually ng content na ganyan nung earlier age niya pa, maliit pa niya siya, na nag-i-English siya doon. Ayun, it helps me a lot for me to be able to have the confidence to speak in English. Kaya ako yun, nagkaroon ako ng opportunity para kaya nakapasa ako sa call center.
Dad, I'll show
What's
you
that?
something.
Diba, look. Just a ball. Can you create a ball?
But I can't look. It turns like into a liquid.
Kaya nga para siyang buhay eh.
Yeah, it looks like it's alive.
It keeps on moving. Kaya
It looks like That's a
But
lie.
after that, you need to wash your hands, right?
Yes,
Mhm.
I know. Because it's so oily.
So yun, going back, nagkaroon ako ng chance sa call center for like almost 2 years. Ayan. Tapos noon, yun na, nag-grab na ako. Tapos sa grab, nung mag-grab ako, 2 beses lang ata ako nakapag-upload. Ayun na, wala na. Pagtapos nung huling upload
Here,
ko,
Dad,
yun,
you
naligaw
can
ako sa
try.
Skyway.
Dad,
Wala na. Hindi na ako
you
nakapag-upload
can try.
ulit kasi wala na.
You can try.
I got focused on driving kasi ang hirap mag-edit ng video dahil sa pamamasada sa Grab. Hindi na hindi ka talaga magkakaroon ng time mag-YouTube.
And I
Dahil
miss the checkpoint.
yung pag-edit ng video ay hindi biro. Kaya ito, yung mga magiging video namin siguro walang edit. Puro ano-ano na lang. Pagka-shoot, diretso upload na.
Okay, I'm gonna draw some face.
Okay, go.
I'm drawing some face. Look. While using this,
Mm.
I'm using this one for the eyes and the mouth.
So, we already have 16 minutes video. So, we are now about to end the video. We are now about to end the vlog. So, what is now the final message to our subscribers? Go.
I will always love my dad
Really?
right here.
You're so
Right here.
bolera.
And I'll always love my family.
Mhm.
And anyway, my brother always ignores me.
What are you going? Your brothers, because your brothers are they already have their own lives na.
Yes, I know. Like,
Mm.
anyway,
Huwag mo sila bookingin, be.
yeah.
Okay, so ito. Tell your subscribers that what you are going to do moving forward in the vlogs. So you mentioned earlier that you are going to shoot everything what you are doing, and I want you to learn a household chores like
Washing dishes.
washing dishes,
Sweeping the floors.
sweeping the floor.
Anyway,
Floor.
I'm gonna tell you something.
Go.
I actually helped mommy to sweep the dry leaves.
Very good, di ba?
Because I love my mother, I don't want to make her back hurt.
You know what, guys, napakalambing na itong ko na to, super maalalahanin, sobrang bait, and I'm really proud of her, and I hope she won't change.
Look.
There
Then
you
look
go.
at the face.
It's nice.
Show it to everybody. Make it closer.
Super sweet, super maalalahanin, super bait. Sana hindi ka magbago.
I'll always love my friends, always. I will always remember them when they leave. Especially my MCGI friends.
Yeah, that's nice.
Like Clyde. Eliza.
Clyde is not MCGI.
Yes, I know. My old friends. I'm talking about my old friends.
Yung Clyde, siya yung apo ko na kapitbahay namin dati, and sadly they need to move sa Bulacan para doon na siya mag-aral. Kaya yan, mag-iisa siya lagi. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong pwede kong gawin para kasi minsan
Dad, look. I made some curves.
umiiyak na lang siya dahil wala siyang kalaro. Pero ayan, kaya ito kahit pa paano, pag may time ako yung nagiging kalaro niya.
Okay, I'm gonna clean this.
We already have 19 minutes in the video, so should we stop it? Just do it next time, di ba? Vlog na lang tayo next time. Okay? It's 19 minutes already. They're not gonna watch that long.
Okay, bye guys.
Alright, that will be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to all,
and
like, comment. Kung anong content gusto nyo gawin, father and daughter content, can you please suggest to the comment section? Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, that will be all. Thank you so much. Ano ba yung outro natin nun? Nakalimutan ko na.
Goblin,
Mm.
peace out.
Oo.
Bye-bye.
God bless and
Peace out. Bye-bye.
kalimutan na eh. Sige.
Because it's old.